Y'all, in this lesson, I skipped over a couple of pages. So we're going to go to the part where it's talking about unit fractions, okay? The word unit fraction. All right, you got to learn that the word unit means one. It's one piece of something. So this is telling you to draw lines, divide the shape into equal parts that show the fraction given. So the 1/6 is our unit fraction. So what it wants us to do is split this shape into 6 equal parts. And it's like if this is a pie, and I split it into 6 pieces, and I give you one piece, you have the unit fraction of that pie. So to split this, I'm going to go down from the top, and I'm going to go across and across, okay? And that made it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And it's like if I take this piece right here and I break it off and I pull it over here. That's the unit fraction from that whole. Okay? So we shaded in one piece to show 1/6. So here, the number on the bottom, that's the total pieces. So I have to split that into 2. So you could do it either way. You could split it there, and that gives me 2 equal pieces. Or you could split it going across that way. But I have to shade in one of them. So I'm going to shade in this side. And that shows 1/2. So on that last one, I got to shade it into 8 pieces. Let me show you a trick with a rectangle. You can always split it in half. And whatever this is, after you split it in half, take half of that. So 1, 2. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I split it into like 4s, but it doubles to be 8 pieces. And I'm just going to shade in one part. Now, if you don't want to do it that way, you are more than welcome. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And shade in one piece that way. To me, it's just easier to split it in half. All right. So the next part, they give you a shape, but it's on a grid, okay? So you see the little boxes. Well, they want you to take this part, and they want you to draw lines to split it into 8 equal parts, and then they want you to write the fraction, okay? So I see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay? Think about taking a half of something. If I take that 16 and I split it in half equally, and then I go across like this, I've now made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So it wants you to write the area of each part as a unit fraction. What it's talking about is if I break this piece off, how much is it? Well, it's 1/8. If I break this piece off, how much is it? It's 1/8. Each part is 1/8 because this is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. And you'll learn later with fraction, when the top number and the bottom number is the same, it's equal to one big whole, okay? So the next one, we're going to split it into 6 equal parts. So let's count and see how many pieces we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so there's 24 parts. So basically what you're saying is like 6 times what equals 24. Okay, so by now you should know your multiplication facts well enough, or you can know you can go in here and draw 6 in a groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just count till you get to 24. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So it's like I need to put 4 in a group. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So by doing that, I made 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. Okay? And each one of those is worth 1 6. Now, the last one looks a little confusing, but start out by counting the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So remember, you take this and you're basically saying 4 times blank equals 12. If I know my 4s, or if I don't know my 4s, I can go and draw a little fast array. Do groups of 4 until you count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 3. So I need to put 3 in a group. There's 3. There's 3. Oops, fix that. Here's 3. And here's 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So that's 1 4. Okay? 1 part of that's 4. Now on your lesson of this part, you're going to have a few of these to try. Okay? So go back and rewatch if you need to.